So today I'm here to share with you guys the Happy Graduates preschool and kindergarten graduation cap, gown, and tassel, okay? And this is what you're looking at right now. The reason I got these is one, because my kids were graduating preschool, and so because I have twins and both were graduating preschool, I thought this was the perfect find. And I figured since many of you guys probably want to see what these look like close up and what the quality is like, that this would hopefully help. So I hope it does, okay? So I have one for my boy and one for my girl, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the actual robes, and then I'll show you guys the cap. Guys, these were incredible quality, number one. Super incredible quality. I'm sure you guys can probably tell. They are a full body graduation gown, okay? So you're really pretty much going to see their feet and some ankle, right? But for the most part, it is a full body gown, just as the adult graduation gowns are, okay? And there are, of course, a variety of sizes to choose from. I'm going to show you guys the quality. First of all, look how vibrant and beautiful the color of this fabric is, and there are several colors to choose from, by the way. So you have your choice of your child's favorite colors to choose from, okay? There's a zipper that goes from the top all the way down to the bottom, okay? And then, of course, you'll zip it up, and then, of course, there's like a little bit of a gap in the front, not a gap, but where the zipper doesn't end at the very, very end, which is normal for adult graduation gowns as well, okay? It has the long the three-quarter length sleeves that are wide, just as adult graduation gowns are. Literally, these are exact graduation gowns for adults, but just smaller size for your kiddos. So it's just everything, okay? And so the colors got me, the material got me. They are amazing, okay? And so super, super cute. And this is the actual cap. I almost said hat. The cap for her graduation gown, okay? It also had the tassel that you would affix to it, along with the charm, by the way. So as you guys can see, this says 2022, but the one that you would get would be 2023, okay? So I wanted to make sure to show you guys that. Of course, the cap has this great elastic here. Very comfortable, by the way, so it's not tight on their head where it would hurt. You can also actually put the name, the school, the graduation date, etc. on the inside of the actual cap itself too. But as you guys can see, very, very well made. Same goes for my son's gown as well. Beautiful gown, beautiful vibrant color. Favorite color is green, okay? So he chose the green cap and gown, and guys, same thing. Zipper is at the bottom, little bit of an opening at the very, very bottom of the gown itself, just as with adult graduation gowns, okay? And same three-quarter length or so sleeves that are nice and wide, nice and roomy. They're very light, they're not heavy. The zipper is great. The cap is wonderful over here as well, and the tassel along with the charm that you'll get with it, that'll say 2023 if you get it in 2023. Outside of that, guys, these were incredible finds, and I hope that this video helps you.